Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a premium UDP custom file. Stick around because this is going to be super useful. And if you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Let's dive right in. Alright, first step, open up your favorite web browser. I'm using Chrome, but you can use any browser you like. In the search bar, type UDP Custom and press Enter. You should see a bunch of search results. Look for the link that says UDP Configs file and click on it. This will take you to the website's homepage. Once you're on the homepage, go to the top right corner and click on the menu button. A submenu will appear. Now click on Premium UDP. Another small menu will pop up. Select 30 Days UDP Custom. Now you'll see a form where you need to enter your details. Fill in your username and password, then hit the Create Account button. In just a few seconds, your account will be created. Congratulations, you've got your account set up. Make sure to copy your username, password and IP address. Save these details in a notepad so you have them handy for later. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.